What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good week. We're back in the shop. It's freezing outside, but I'm eager to get some more of these cuts done. Hopefully we can get all 3 of the remaining ones done and then actually be able to pull this thing out of the shop and take it for a spin. Also, I ordered another hood because, well, they're on sale right now, and I found one that was like shipped for $350, so that's kind of a decent deal on it. I just feel like the one that I currently have is like too far gone for me to actually be able to work with. Anyhow, we're gonna jump right into this thing. I can't really afford to screw this one up because, you know, rear quarter panel type thing. So we're gonna get this marked up and measured, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so we've got this mounted to where we think we want it to be, at least taped up mounted. And then I'm using these I'm just using some red electrical tape to kind of give me a guide of like, do not go past this line, so that we can hopefully avoid the incident that we had with the front fender where we cut too far. So now we're going to pull this off, do the marks for the actual cutting, which is going to start back in here, and then we'll jack this thing up and start doing the actual cuts. Holy, this car was so abused, man. Look at that, that's crazy. It's a good thing we're doing this. Like, that's insane. There's like dirt. I don't know the history of this car, so there's no telling what kind of other things we're gonna find, but that's a lot of dirt. All right, we're moving on to the next part. I think the move here is gonna be like cut some of this excess off, so I could grind further in and get up to like here. Then we'll start doing the hammering part. But in the meantime, while I was looking for my hammer, look what I found. I found you guys a new vantage point. This is actually for like a racing steering wheel, but I upgraded to a sim. So what I've thought about is that this thing right here is metal, and it should give you guys like a pretty awesome vantage point. So we're gonna try that out. I would like to drop a weld on this, but I don't have everything I need to do that right now. So I may just fold this up for now because you're not going to see it except for this area by the door. I think we'll cut that and then just prime it. Maybe I just cut it all. Let me think about that one. All right, little side note. As much as I love this tree, these things keep falling off of it, and it's making me mental. So that's done. We'll let this dry, and we'll hit it with some black too. So while we're waiting on this to dry, I figured I'd yap at you guys for a moment because I'm really curious on who do you guys watch? Who are your favorite content creators? I'll give you my top 3. My top 3 are Dustin Williams, Samit, and drift games. There's nothing better to get to the end of the day and you're like, oh man, I can't wait to chill and just like throw on some YouTube and let's see what people have been up to. So Dustin Williams, the last video I watched of his, he's actually learning how to drift in his chaser, which is pretty awesome. I looked for drift tracks around here and I couldn't find any, so there's no telling how far away I would have to travel. Plus this car actually, it honestly needs more power. before I can even get into that. But that's gonna be kind of phase 2. We're gonna get the body straight. I know I'm doing this kind of backwards. We're gonna get the body the way I want it and the look the way that I want it, and then we'll start doing some drivetrain type stuff. Brings me to my next content creator that I like watching, Samit. He's been up to a couple things. He likes to like sometimes do like some shop reviews and whatnot, and he was doing like a motorcycle shop review. The last thing he posted that I was like, that was absolutely a blast to watch, was him teaching his wife to drift, and which is awesome because he was actually teaching everyone how to drift, like how to learn how to drift, and I think that's pretty incredible. So, but if you haven't seen that video, you need to go check it out because it was actually really good. And then Drift Games, they're actually setting up their new HQ. All right, cool. That was actually the company that I ordered the hood from. They're saying it's going to be here tomorrow, which is fantastic. It's a little bit faster than we need it because I'm not ready to swap it just yet. I kind of want to do a couple other things first, like paint the engine bay. Like, I don't want to put that hood on until I'm ready to wrap the car. Anyways, that's enough of me yapping. Drop your favorite content creators below because I need more videos to watch in the evenings when I'm chilling out. I think this primer is almost dry. Let's paint it up. Man, this feels like a big moment. I don't know why it feels like such a big moment, but this feels like a big moment. Oh man, I am so excited. This is too much. Like, oh, I can't wait to get this body piece on. Look how much fatter. Look how far they stick out. This is gonna be awesome. I think we're gonna drop it down so I can mount it. This piece right here, honestly don't know. I hate to cut this bumper. You know, like, this bumper is not bad. But let's go ahead and drop it down slowly. Okay, that was a little bit faster than slow, but it's down. Now we can start working on the kit. All right, I think this is as close as we can get it. Like, my primary concern is like this gap right here, but it's really not that bad. Like, it's just slapping against the door. There's just a tiny bit of a clearance at the bottom of it, and then like this right here, it's kind of like my indicator on what's lining up and what's not. So, and then it goes down to there. So again, these side skirts are going to kind of cause me a headache. So I might have to pull that side skirt to get behind it, which kind of sucks because I'll have to actually pull the wheel to get behind that. So I don't know, we'll figure that out, but we're gonna get this thing riveted up. What you doing? You sneaking up on me? You come to inspect my work? Well, tell me your opinion. Oh, okay. Take it easy. Take it easy. Look what I did. I wide-bodied it just for you. Wipe this thing down, and then we'll try to do like a sick montage. Or at least a semi-decent montage. I don't know how to do montages. Now we just got to do the other side. Are you coming to help? Please tell me you're coming to help. Can chickens wide body cars? Because that would be absolutely fantastic if you could. I will give you the tools. Can I pay you in scratch? Where are you going? All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I don't know if I'm going to do the second side today. I feel like I could do it all in one session. Now, with this limited amount of daylight, though, it's like kind of a pain. So I think I'm going to end this one here, and then we'll do all of this side next time. I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a good night.